Simply presents how to stay calm under pressure. Sometimes we miss a shot when we needed it most, sang a wrong note, or pressed the wrong key. How can we remain calm during pressuring situations? Well, in this video, I'll teach you how to stay calm under pressure. Let's get started. 1. Slow your breathing. Breathing exercises can be really helpful when pressure is getting to you. Here are some different breathing exercises that can help calm you down. Some breathing exercises you can try are 10 seconds. Inhale when you're done with counting from 1 to 10. Exhale when you're counting from 1 to 10. Another one is a 4-7-8 exercise. Inhale during a mental count of 4 seconds. Then hold your breath for 7 seconds and exhale with a count of 8 seconds. 2. Focus on the positives. Instead of thinking about something negative that's going to happen, focus on the positive outcomes. For example, for public speaking, you could think, I'm totally going to ace this speech. Or for a sport, you can think, we're going to win this game. Just keep on thinking of positive outcomes. 3. Get a lot of sleep. As someone once said, without enough sleep, we all become 2-year-olds. If you don't sleep, you don't perform very well. Your brain gets laggy. So, and this is important, just before the night of an important event, get enough sleep. 4. Practice. You all heard the saying, practice makes perfect, right? Well, it's true. In order to remain calm under pressure, you have to practice under pressuring situations. This will help you get better at staying calm. 5. Go for a walk. Interacting with nature or just viewing it can do a lot to calm the nerves. Right before you go do something pressuring, take a walk outside. Smell the flowers, feel the trees. It'll calm you down. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on all notifications to get notified every single time I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you the next time. Bye!